iTech here. If you are looking for a bigger screen, better battery and a best camera on an iPhone, then this video is for you. In today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and first impression on iPhone 12 Pro Max. Come, let's get started. Today I have with me is the iPhone 12 Pro Max graphite color with 128GB storage option. Let's compare the iPhone 11 Pro box with iPhone 12 Pro Max. Latest iPhone 12 Pro Max box looks almost half the size of 11 Pro Max. Thanks to Apple for not including wall mount charger and earphones for 12 Pro Max. Inside the box, you will see 12 Pro Max itself covered with a nice thin white plastic cover. Along with the phone, we get SIM card tool, Apple instruction manual and Lightning to USB-C cable. The iPhone 12 Pro Max follows in the footsteps of 7 Plus and gets the camera upgrade that none of the other iPhone 12 models have. It has support for 5G and OLED 6.7-inch screen with support for HDR, a ceramic shield covering, an A14 Bionic processor, support for MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 volts, and IP68 dust and water resistant. Now let's talk about the screen. Despite being only 2 grams heavier than the last year's 11 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro Max feels even more solid and well built. The flat edges in the matte glass back and the stainless steel are another level of premium fit and finish. 6.7-inch OLED screen looks nice and bright with excellent colors. I will be doing another video to compare iPhone 12 Pro Max screen with iPhone 11 Pro Max. Talking about the camera, iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 3 rear cameras and a LiDAR sensor. The main wide-angle camera on the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a larger sensor combined with an f1.6 lens. The new sensor gets an 87% improvement in the low light capabilities. The 12 Pro Max has a sensor-based optical image stabilization instead of a lens-based image stabilization found on 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro. Now let's talk about the telephoto lens. At a 65mm equivalent, the new telephoto lens on 12 Pro Max has a 2.5x optical zoom compared to 52mm equivalent telephoto lens on the 12 Pro. The Pro Max takes great photos in low light, but compared to the photos from the regular 12 Pro, the difference are not big. LiDAR sensor helps with autofocus in low light for photos, videos and slow motion as well as AR apps. Both the 12 and 12 Pro Max have a telephoto lens, but the lens on the 12 Pro Max is longer than the one in the 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is powered by an A14 Bionic chip and it's blazingly fast. The big question, are camera upgrades on 12 Pro Max worth the extra money? The answer is yes, but not just because of the camera. With a big battery, outstanding cameras and the largest screen ever on an iPhone, A14 Bionic chip, 5G support, the 12 Pro Max deserves a spot in your pocket. So friends, what do you think about the 12 Pro Max? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.